Hi, I'm Jeevan Hettigodu from Asia Securities, bringing the market summary for today. The bourse commenced the week on a positive note, mainly owing to continued interest in the banking sector counters. The all-share price index gained 30 points to close at 5,755, whilst the most sensitive Milanka price index gained 54.39 points to close at 4,976. Total turnover for the day was close to 1.4 billion rupees. Total volume traded was close to 45 million shares. Banking and finance sector counters extended its rally and was the major contributor towards the day's turnover. NDB saw a block of 2.8 million shares change hands at 122. The counter closed the day at 127, gaining 3% for the day. High net worth interest was seen on both commercial bank voting and commercial bank non-voting as the counters saw aggressive trading during the day. Commercial bank voting reached a high of 112 rupees before closing the day at 105.40, gaining 1.3%, whilst the non-voting counter gained an impressive 6.5 to close at 88.50. Further, banking sector caps such as Sampath Bank, Nations Trust, Union Bank and Hatton National Bank gained substantially to close the day on a positive note. Retail favorite counters such as Ceylon Leather plc and Environmental Resource Investment plc saw their share prices gaining marginally. Speculative caps such as Asia Asset Finance, Nation Lanka Finance and HVA Foods saw profit taking during the day. Renewed interest was seen on Acme as the counter gained an impressive 12% for the day. It closed at 26.40, trading a volume over 3.2 million shares. Further retail interest was seen on Ceylon Merchant Bank, Pan Asia Power and Expo Lanka. Moving on to business news, Sri Lanka's Citizens Development Bank Finance plc, a registered leasing firm, said profits fell 25% in the December 2011 quarter to 157 million rupees, mainly due to lower non-fund based income. The firm reported earnings of 3.2 rupees for the quarter. In the 9 months to December, profits rose 28% to $398 million from a year earlier, giving EPS 8.62 rupees per share. Valuable Power Eratna plc released the interim financial report for the period 30th June 2011. The company has indicated the less attractive to the investors due to the lesser profits and loss of revenue. The total revenue for the 6 month ended denoted as 130 million, which was 154 million in the last June quarter. Browns Investments plc has acquired 51% stake in Ajax Engineers Limited for 100 million. Ajax is a leading in installing aluminium curtain walls, doors, windows and glass. Reliance Finance Company plc announced the appointment of Mr. Sunil Karunanayaka as the independent non-executive director to its board of directors with effect from 26 January 2012. Sri Lanka has been named among the top 5 destinations in Kohni's annual poll of where UK customers want to spend their holidays. Sri Lanka also retained the #1 destination for weddings according to the report. The top 5 holiday destinations for 2012 are Maldives, Thailand, Sri Lanka, the UAE and the USA. Sri Lanka retained #1 destination for weddings. The Kuramati Island Resort in Maldives kept the top slot for family destinations, as did Thailand for solo holidays. Thank you.